everyone, it's Christy. I am back with another video here on my YouTube channel, and you guys are in for a real treat because I just got my first CLIQUE Kits Design Team box. It is a quarterly box, and y'all, it is chock. Look at all of this stuff. Kits and kits and kits, and I mean, so much goodness. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take it out of the crinkly packaging, and we're gonna go one kit at a time, and then we'll do these little mini things, and I'm gonna show you all the things. So all the links for the products will be down below. The kit links, the Facebook link, all the things. So make sure you check that out, and let's go get started because this stuff is amazing. Right, guys, the first collection is called Up Buttercup. It is full of goodness. So let's go through the papers first, and then we'll go through the embellishments. So this collection includes this beautiful paper. This is by Obed Marshall, Fantastical collection. And then we have this one, which is Jen Hadfield, Peaceful Heart. And this one, which is Watercolor Wishes by Lon Fawn. So good. We have this one, Paige Evans, Bungalow Lane. Look at this one, Kit at Heart, Pebbles Kit at Heart collection. There's lots of Pebbles Kit at Heart in this one. And this one, and this one with a little bitty flower. Look at this. This is one of my favorites. I love this paper. Then we have the plaid and more florals, the blue, and the stripe, and then the thin stripe and more florals. So you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of pattern paper. This is a base kit. Right now it's on sale. So if you go head on over to CLIQUE Kits, you can find this one on sale right now. All right, these are the thickers for the Kit at Heart collection, and it's called Good Vibes. I love this one. I think I'm going to make a mini with this base kit. And then we have the stickers, the accent stickers, all the rainbow things, right? So those 2 sheets, and then we have 2 packs. We have a pack of phrase ephemera and a pack of icon ephemera. Look at all that. I'm not going to flip through all of it because crinkling and it's time consuming, but you can see the whole thing here. And if you want to come back to it, just screenshot it and then you can zoom in. So there's that. And then you guys, there's 2 of these beaded tassel. Hello friend. My gosh, I love these. And then it also comes with this adhesive rainbow patch. These are patches that already have adhesive on them. It's got this really great stitching. I love that one. And then the floral one. So that is freaking amazing. This is the first kit in my stash that came, and this is called Up Buttercup. All right, let's look at the next one. All right, and then the next collection is another base kit called Willemstad, and it is so good. It has Vicky Booten and Paige Evans. So let's take a look. The Sweet Rush by Vicky Booten. Those thick stripes are always one of my favorites. Look at this one. Another Sweet Rush. Ooh, I think I'm gonna be using this kit live when I go live next week. Sweet Rush Horizon. Thought that would be a good one to go live with this beautiful, like all these summer colors. Oh, and it has this other piece of Sun Chaser in it too. Look at the hearts. This is so fun. I would love to like cut these out and pop them up and all the things. And then another Sun Chaser. Oh my goodness. And then we have some Paige Evans Splendid. This is paper number 8. Paper number 12. I love this floral. It's like fussy cut. That's what it's saying to me. This one, just paper 13 with that black and white. And look at that. And it has like this woven texture. I don't know if you can see it. Isn't that so good? So good. All right, then we have 14 Splendid. These words, the back, and then this last one, paper number 15. That beautiful orange. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 papers. So I think most of the base kits have 10 pattern papers in them. And then it comes in this pretty little like nylon bag. And you get these pieces. Oh my gosh, these are really cool. These might be like 49th in Market. Let me look on the website. Yep. 49th in Market. Look at that. These are great because these literally you can just layer them up and you have to do literally nothing. So good. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Then we got a shared pack of these little bouquets. Those are from Paige Evans Splendid. We get the Paige Evans Splendid embellishment pack. These look like they're the florals. Oh my goodness. Look at these guys. Let me hold it up. Oops, sorry. Hold it up close for you. And then you also get the Sweet Rush. This one is the embellishments, but that's what it looks like. So you get 2 full packs of embellishments. You know how many pages you can create with this stuff? A lot. And then one of my favorites are these Sweet Rush layered stickers. I love them. I really love them. They're stitched and then you can raise them up. Pardon my noise, but I want to show them to you. So look. And then you can raise up the... Is that not so fun? And it's really got a lot of dimension. So then you have the layered stickers. So that is the base kit Willemstad. All the bright colors, all the good things. All right, then also is a sampler kit, the Good Stuff sampler kit. You can find all of these still in the store and I will link them all below as well. But it comes with basically all the things you would need and little pieces and parts, all the papers, embellishment, not all the embellishments, but the journal bits and the bits and pieces from the collection. So let's flip through the papers first. This collection is so amazing. If you haven't, okay, let me tell you something about this collection. I made a page, a flip page with this collection at the beginning of this year. And it's a monthly flip page, and each page flips up with these 4x6 cards. So if you're interested in that, I can, I don't have a YouTube video, but I will show it to you. It's on my Instagram feed. So it's my favorite. So let's go through the papers. Each one, it's like 12 papers, so you have one for each month. Here's January, February. The fronts are always cut aparts, and the backs are patterns. March, April. Oh my gosh, I love the little washi on there. May. Mixed them up. June. Stripe. July. The dots. August. Life's a Peach, and then we have peaches on the back. September, October, November, and December. So you do not have to use these as like the cut aparts. The backs, the B-sides are amazing in all of them. You also get a 12x12 sticker sheet. The sticker sheets from all the Simple Stories collections are amazing. You get icons, words, you get these little wordfetti type stickers, and then a border. So many good pieces here. It doesn't say how many, but lots of them. And then we get the Good Stuff foam stickers, 29. I love these with the colors. Oh, they're so good. Okay, then we get the the enamel dots, which Simple Stories enamel dots are always fantastic because they go perfectly with the collection. And then we get the bits and pieces and the journal bits. So here's what they look like side by side. If you want to zoom in, the best thing to do is to screenshot it now, and then you can zoom in and see all the things. But I love this collection. It's actually one of my most favorite collections that Simple Stories does each year for sure. Oh, this is from the last little bit. Sorry, it also came with these. It must have fallen out, but it comes with these little gems. Aren't they so cute? I love them. All right, I believe this one came with the Paige Evans ones, the Willemstad. But that I forgot. Look at the little bottle. Okay, all right. Go off on a tangent. All right, let's look at the next little bit that I got. All right, and then I got this limited edition kit, and it's the Clique World Heritage Africa collection. Guys, that's really good. So it comes with like an assortment of 6x6 papers. There's 2 of each, and they are double-sided. These are fantastic for art journaling, for sure. Cutting them out. That's the B side. Look at that. B side, flowers. B side is that green kind of mandala on the back. Oh, that's so pretty. I have to figure out a way to use this collection, maybe in an art journal. So those are the papers you get, 6x6. Then you get half of the cardboard chipboard stickers. So this is the sheet that I got. I love this. It has like a copper foiling on it. Then you get this ephemera pack. Look at all of these. So pretty. The flowers. These images are so good. And then you get this pack of flowers. I believe it's half the pack. So you get 3, not flowers, I'm sorry. Uh-oh, butterflies. Looks like they're stuck. Oh, it came apart. I have to wet glue that guy back together. But they do have a lot of dimension. And both are printed. So you get those. And then this is a 49th and Market Wishing Bubbles and Baubles Sage color. Guys, it's so good. It has like these dots, but they have some texture to them. And then some of them are raised up. Great collection. This is the mini limited edition collection. All right, let's see what else is in my box. All right. Then I got this 6x8 snap flip book in green. Sorry for the noise, I shouldn't have opened it. It has 10 pocket pages, so you get 6x8 pocket pages, 4x6 pocket pages, and 3x4 pocket pages. And it has this kind of like file binding, so it can expand. It does not have anything between, so literally you can make it as thick as you want it. Is that not pretty freaking awesome? I have a 4x6 one that I used last year for a little project, but I really like these albums. This would make a good December daily album, actually, for those of you that want to keep it simple. But yeah, it's a 6x8 snap flip book in green. And then, guys, I also got this Heidi Swap starter kit, Storyline Chapters starter kit in a blush, and it says Love Life. Now, if you don't know anything about me and about my crafting, is I have been using a memory planner this year, and I am loving it. Loving it. Now, I'm not caught up, but I still love it. So, if you get the starter kit, you get everything that you need. Comes with a slick writer, a fine point slick writer. Comes with the storage album, And this is like the old school magazine storage. I'm going to show you how to put them in. And then, actually, I'm not going to show you how to put them in. I'm going to do a separate video. You get these planner inserts. So there's 3 inserts. There's 2 that contain 26 weeks each, and 1 that contains months and goals. All right, so this one is months and goals, year overview, and then it's undated. So then you have the month, then you have events, highlights, and then a month again. Ooh, this one might be good. I might have to use this. I like that it's undated, so that might have to come into my repertoire. And then these are 26 weeks, no monthly spread. Okay, so there's no monthly like in the ones that you can get from Heidi Swap store. These don't have that, so then you don't have to worry about the month spread. Look at this, so many good colors. And then you get 2 of them. So one with the rainbow on the front and one with a lemon. And they go right into this notebook, into this album, perfectly. So I'm gonna create another YouTube video showing you these inserts, maybe even how to create a spread, and then showing you how they go in the album. So that, oh no, just kidding. It also came with the stamp set. Look at it. I love this one with the rainbow. Did this. All right, so that is the starter pack for the Heidi Swap album. Storyline chapters. You guys, I am so blessed by this kit. So many good things. I am going to pile it back on my desk so that you can see it all. I'm going to show you pictures from the shop and have all the links for you down below so that you can go get your very own kits. I will be going live in the Facebook group next week, so if you are not in the Clique Kits Facebook group, join at the link, because next week I'm going to be going live in the group, so you're not going to want to miss that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Your comments are always appreciated. Any questions can be left in the comments below. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications so that you can get all the updates for all the new videos. All right, you guys, until next time, I hope you find time to be creative.